Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best electric egg cookers that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Meet the Evoloop Rapid Egg Cooker, a compact electric kitchen gadget designed to cook up to 12 eggs at once. It makes soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs, plus poached eggs, omelets, and even steamed vegetables all in one device. Priced at around $33.99, this egg cooker offers strong value for money. Instead of using multiple pots and timers, you get a multifunction, time-saving kitchen tool at a budget-friendly cost. 12 egg capacity, great for families or meal prep. Multiple cooking modes, soft, medium, hard-boiled, poached eggs, and omelets. Vegetable steaming function adds extra versatility. Fast cooking system, saves time compared to stovetop boiling. BPA-free trays, safer food contact materials. Compact design, 8 inches by 5 inches by 8 inches, easy to store in small kitchens. Simple one-button operation, beginner-friendly. Auto shutoff and buzzer alert, prevents overcooking. Pros. Very easy to use. Saves time and effort. Cooks eggs consistently. Multi-purpose, eggs plus steaming. Good value for price. Cons. Plastic build may feel lightweight. Limited space for larger vegetables. Requires water measurement accuracy for best results. Number 4. Introducing the Elite Gourmet Digital Egg Cooker, a compact kitchen gadget that can cook up to 6 eggs at once, perfect for quick breakfasts, meal prep, and easy cooking. Priced at around $29.99, this egg cooker offers great value for small households. It replaces stovetop boiling with a faster, more consistent, one-touch cooking system. 6 egg capacity, ideal for individuals or small families. One-touch digital control, super easy operation. Multiple cooking options, soft, medium, hard-boiled, poached eggs, omelet, and even onsen tamago style. Audible alert on/off, customizable notification. Auto shutoff feature, prevents overcooking and ensures safety. Compact design, 8.11 inches by 4.88 inches by 5.94 inches, fits easily in small kitchens. Fast and consistent cooking results, no guesswork needed. Includes measuring cup and tray system, improves accuracy. Pros. Very compact and space-saving. Simple one-touch operation. Consistent egg results every time. Good for singles or small families. Affordable price. Cons. Only 6 egg capacity, not ideal for large families. Plastic build feels basic. Requires careful water measurement for best results. Number 3. Meet the Evoloop Rapid Egg Cooker, a compact electric kitchen gadget that cooks up to 6 eggs at once with multiple styles like boiled, poached, and omelet, all in one device. At around $29.99, this egg cooker delivers solid value for everyday use. It's a time-saving kitchen tool that replaces stovetop boiling with fast, consistent results. 6 egg capacity, perfect for small households. Multiple cooking modes, soft, medium, hard-boiled, poached eggs, and omelets. Fast heating system, cooks eggs quicker than traditional boiling. Auto shutoff feature, prevents overcooking and adds safety. BPA-free materials, safer for food use. Compact size, 8.6 inches by 5.6 inches by 7.6 inches, easy to store in tight kitchens. Lightweight design, 2.03 pounds, portable and easy to move. Simple operation, beginner-friendly one-button use. Pros. Easy and beginner-friendly. Quick and consistent egg cooking. Compact and space-saving. Affordable price point. Good for daily breakfast use. Cons. Only 6 egg capacity. Plastic build may feel less premium. Requires precise water measurement for best results. Number 2. Introducing the Evoloop Rapid Egg Cooker, a sleek black electric kitchen gadget that cooks up to 6 eggs at once boiled, poached, or omelet style in minutes. Priced at around $29.99, this device offers strong value for everyday cooking. It saves time, reduces hassle, and delivers consistent egg results without stovetop guessing. 6 egg capacity, ideal for small households or individuals. Multifunction cooking, soft, medium, hard-boiled, poached eggs, and omelets. Fast electric heating, cooks eggs quickly and evenly. Auto shutoff system, prevents overcooking and improves safety. BPA-free components, safe for daily food use. Stainless steel plus plastic build, more durable and premium feel. Compact size, 8.6 inches by 5.6 inches by 7.6 inches, easy to store anywhere. Lightweight, 1.08 kilograms, stable yet portable design. Pros. Stylish stainless steel finish. Easy one-touch operation. Fast and consistent cooking. Compact and kitchen-friendly. Good price for features. Cons. Only 6 egg capacity. Needs accurate water measurement. Not ideal for large families. Number 1. Meet the Hamilton Beach 6-in-1 electric egg cooker, a versatile kitchen gadget that cooks boiled eggs, poached eggs, egg bites, omelets, and more all in one compact device. Priced at around $32.95, it offers great value by combining multiple cooking tools in one unit, helping you save both time and kitchen space. 6-in-1 cooking system, hard-boiled, poached, omelets, egg bites, scrambling and frying. Sous vide style egg bites, soft, cafe style results at home. 5.25-inch non-stick skillet included, perfect for frying and omelets. Fast and even heating, consistent cooking every time. Compact design, 8.8 inches by 7.3 inches by 6.3 inches, fits small kitchens easily. Easy cleanup, non-stick surface reduces mess. Durable build, aluminum plus plastic, balanced strength and weight. Pros. Very versatile 6-in-1 functionality. Includes skillet for frying and omelets. Good for meal variety and breakfast prep. Easy to use and clean. Reliable brand reputation. Cons. Slightly heavier than basic egg cookers. Takes more counter space than compact models. Learning curve for different cooking modes. If you want an all-in-one breakfast solution, the Hamilton Beach 6-in-1 egg cooker is a great choice. Check the link in the description for today's price. Like the video if this helped you. Subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews like this.